this video, we will show you how to measure distance using Google Maps. The measure distance is reversed two methods. First, using routes, and the second, the measure distance directly between two locations. We will do put of this in here. Okay, first, for example, we will measure distance by route from Las Vegas until the New York, just for example. Okay, New York. Okay, you can see if we are using the measure distance using Google Maps, we can see we have this 2500 xx miles here. You can see there. This is if you're using the route. How to compare or using measure distance if we want to get the distance directly, not using route like this. Okay, you can just doing by opening Google Earth. Just open Google Earth. Okay, then you can type the location. For example, we want to select New York. Let's find New York. Okay, and this is the New York. You can just using the rule. Okay, click this and put the first year, and the second we want to using the Las Vegas. Okay, let's try to find the Las Vegas. This is here. You can see there. If we are using this method, we can just directly have the distance. It's about 3,557 kilometers approximately. You can see there. You can also using another attribute like miles. So it's about 2,210 miles. Okay, you can using Google Maps if you want to find the distance with the routes, but if you want to compare between one and two locations, just using Google Earth like this. Okay, hope this video helpful for you. If you have any questions, you can fill in the forms comment below, and thanks for watching.